Good evening, students, and welcome back to our PE section, that is physical education section. Myself, Vaibhav Gole, and my colleague, Mr. Amit Kamkar. We are your physical education teachers. In today's section, we are going to learn parade drill marching. Basically, this is the pattern of army or NCC. We can say that we are going to teach you. This is a very important thing in the defense side. Okay, so students, let's start with the section. Amit sir will explain you and I will perform in front of you.
So students, as Vaibhav sir told you all, parade drill and marching is the basic of NCC and military. Okay students, so we are not going to learn that level, but we are going to learn how to stand in discipline, how to stand proper position, all that things, how to go in Savdhan Vishram. Okay, and further in other classes we are going to learn how we are going to go for step march, how we are going to go for tej chal, dahine dekh, all that things. Okay students, so let's get started. Now Vaibhav sir is standing in Vishram position. Okay, so now we'll go with the normal thing. Sir will stand in normal position as a normal man. Okay, now in position, how to stand in proper position will teach you. Now first we are going to teach you how to stand in Savdhan position. For Savdhan position, we have to keep our heels together first. Okay, lower back straight, chest out, chin up. Now close your fist. What is fist? This is called fist. Close your fist. Now our pants have a side line. We have to keep it proper in the side line, on the side line, and lock our wrist. So it will show you how to lock our wrist. Normal wrist, lock the wrist. This is locking the wrist. This is the proper position for Savdhan. Lower back straight, chest out, chin up, and heels together, and our wrist is locked. Fist is closed and wrist is locked. This is proper position of Savdhan. Okay students, now we will know how to stand in Vishram position. In Vishram position, we don't have to take a gap, big gap in foot. Just 1 foot gap is also enough. Okay students. Now first keep gap in 1 foot gap in Vishram. Okay. Now first take left hand back and then keep your right hand over your left palm. Thumbs, interlock your thumbs and lock your elbows. Left hand, right palm, lock your thumbs and lock your elbows. Press down. So this is the position from back side for Vishram position. So now we'll see how to go from Vishram to Savdhan and Savdhan to Vishram. First students, it's very important to know that for every action we have to maintain our 90-degree angle knee position. If you have to get in Savdhan position also, first lift your leg, toe pointing down towards the floor, and knee should be in 90-degree angle. Means your waistline. And then you have to tap. And again, if you want to come in Vishram position or the same position, take it up to the 90-degree angle. Toe should be pointing down to the floor and you have to tap to the sideways. Okay students, now class Savdhan. See how sir took the foot up to the 90-degree angle, the knee came to the 90-degree angle, then he tapped his leg down. And first and important thing, for every movement of Savdhan, Vishram, you have to use left leg, okay? Don't have to use the right leg. So for Savdhan and Vishram, you have to use your left leg. Now we'll go how to go for Vishram. Class Vishram. See how sir took his knee up to the waistline, that is 90-degree angle, and then he tapped. Okay, so this was Vishram. Now continuously for 2 to 3 times we are going to do the same exercise. Class, Savat, class, Vishram, class, Savat, class, Vishram, class, Savat, class, Vishram. So students understood this was Savdhan and Vishram. Now students, in standing position, how we are going to go for right turn, left turn and about turn. Okay students, in Hindi these orders are called दाएं मोड, बाएं मोड and पीछे मोड. So we are going to go in English orders. Class, attention. Class, right turn. Class, right turn. Class, right turn. Class, right turn. Class, Vishram. So students, this was right turn. So now we are going to go for left turn. Okay students, class, Savat, class, Vishram. So class, this is the Hindi orders for the Savdhan and Vishram or standardities and attention. Now we will go for English orders. Class, attention. Class, left turn. Class, left turn. Class, left turn. Class, left turn. Class, standardities. So students, this was left turn. Now we are going to learn how to go for about turn. Okay students? Class, attention. Class, about turn. Class, about turn. In this up. So students understood how to do Piche mode, that is about turn. Okay students? First students, you have to understand that while doing about turn you have to maintain your balance on the toe, because if you will not maintain your balance you will fumble. Okay, and one important thing in Savdhan, we have to take gap, you have to keep gap of 30 degrees in our foot. Okay students, and heels together. Okay students, every time you have to maintain this. Fine. One more time we are going to go for about turn. Class, about turn. Class, about turn. So students understood this was about turn. Now we will go for Kadam Tal. Kadam, for the basic thing for Kadam Tal, you must know what is your left and what is your right. When we will say left, you have to tap left. When we will say right, you have to tap right. Okay students, now we will start with the basic thing, left, right for Kadam Tal. Left, this is left. Right, this is right. When I say left, you have to tap left. When I say right, you have to tap right. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Now we'll order together. Left, right. Okay. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Now students, same way. Left, right, left, right. Two orders together. Left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right. left, right, left, right. Now student will add one more thing, left, right, same 4 orders, class thumb, ek do, class thumb also left, right, and ek do also left, right. Okay, you go with the movement. Left, right, class thumb, ek do, right, left, right, class thumb, ek do. Understood? On ek do you have to stop. Ek is left, do is right. Left, right, class thumb, ek do. Right, left, right, class thumb, ek do. So student, this is the basic of Kadam Tal. Understood? And try to get it 90-degree angle in your knee. Okay students, now we'll start. I'll say class Kadam Tal. You have to start with your left leg. First also I have told you, for everything in marching you have to start with left. Left leg you have to start. Every time you have to pick, you have to stamp left. Okay students, class Kadam Tal. Left, right, left, class thumb, ek do. See students, on the calling I am saying left, right. We have giving a gap in between. Left, right. I am not saying right. The gap is your right foot. Where is the gap? I am not saying anything. That time you have to tap your right foot. Okay, we will start again. Class Kadam Tal. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Class thumb, ek do. Understood students? Class thumb, you have to say ek do. So you will get it properly. You will get the idea where we have to halt. Class Kadam Tal. Left, right, right. Class thumb, ek do. Very good. Now in doing Kadam Tal, we are going to show you how to take turns. Right turn, left turn, about turn. Means दाएं mood, बाएं mood, पीछे mood. Okay, these are the orders in Hindi. We will go with the English orders. Class, and Kadam Tal is in Hindi. In English word for it is mark time. Okay, you can say mark time for that. So we will go with the Hindi as plus as English orders also. Class Kadam Tal. Left, right, ek do, ek, left, right, right turn, left, right. Students, when I say right turn, you have to say ek, do, teen, char. Ek is, I told you, ek is left. When I say ek, you have to tap left leg. Left, right turn, khali, ek, do, teen, char, left, right turn, khali, ek, do, teen, char, left, right turn, khali, ek, do, teen, char, left, class thumb. Okay student, this was right turn, means dahine mode. Now we will go with the same with Hindi orders. Class Kadam Tal. Left, right, ek do, ek do, ek, दाहिने मुड़, खाली, एक दो तीन चार, लेफ्ट, एक दो, एक दो, एक दो, दाहिने मुड़, खाली, एक दो तीन चार, एक दो, दाहिने मुड़, खाली, एक दो तीन चार, एक दो, दाहिने मुड़, खाली, एक दो तीन चार, एक दो, class thumb, एक दो. So students, you all understood this was right turn, दाहिने मुड़. Now we'll go for left turn, बाएं मुड़. Okay, first we will go with the English orders, then we will go with the Hindi orders. School, mark, time. Left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left turn, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, right, left, left, right, left, left turn. खाली 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, 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 right, left, left turn. खाली 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, 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 right, left, left turn. खाली 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, 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 right, left. Class halt. 1, 2. So student, this was in English. Now we'll go with the Hindi orders. Okay. By mode. Okay. Class kadam tar. Left, left. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. By mode. खाली 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. बाय मुठ खाली 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. बाय मुठ खाली 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. बाय मुठ खाली 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1. Class thumb 1, 2. So students understood this was left turn by mode. So student, this was left turn. Now we'll go for about turn. Same way, first English, then Hindi orders. Okay. School, mark, time. Left, right, left, left, right, left. About turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, 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 right, left, 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 right, left. About turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, 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 right, left. The 1, 2, 3, 4 order we are giving you for assistance, means to help. So you should not go wrong. Understood? Left, 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 right, left. About turn. खाली 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, 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 right, left. About turn. खाली 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, 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 right, left. Class halt. 1, 2. Now students, same way we are going to go with the Hindi orders. Class kadam tar. Left, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. पीछे मुड़ खाली 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. पीछे मुड़ खाली 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. पीछे मुड़ खाली 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. पीछे मुड़ खाली 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Class thumb 1, 2. Class Vishra. So students understood this was about turn in English and Hindi order is piche mode. So students understood how to do about turn. Today we have learned how to stand in proper position, Savdhan, Vishram, attention, standardities, that is called. Then again the basic of Kadam Tal. Then in Kadam Tal how to start, how to stop, how to start and how to thumb. Then again how to turn in Kadam Tal, left turn, right turn, about turn. Okay, what were the orders in English? What are the names of the orders in English? What are the names of the orders in Hindi? We have taught you everything. So students, now we have completed with our session. With our PE session, but some important instruction you have to take care of. Whatever exercise we have performed in front of you, the exercise you have to practice under your parents' supervision. If you find any difficulty while practicing any exercise, please don't try. Now we are ending with our session, but pandemic situation is there. In this pandemic situation, you have to take care of yourself and your family. Students, wash hands properly, with soap for at least 20 seconds or use sanitizers. Please wear a mask and have healthy food. Take care. Thank you.